Plant-powered sustenance, unveiling the art of meal prep for plant-based diets. Have you ever marveled at the idea of seamlessly incorporating a plant-based lifestyle into your daily routine? Meal prep for plant-based diets promises to guide you on an Epicurean journey through the world of plant-powered meals, offering an enticing array of nourishing dishes designed for those who embrace a plant-based way of life. But how can you efficiently prepare and savor these wholesome, nature-inspired delicacies? Join us on a culinary voyage to uncover the art of meal prep tailored for plant-based diets. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. The journey commences with the intriguing concept of meal prep for plant-based diets, a culinary adventure that transcends conventional meal planning. It's about recognizing that plant-based living can be nourishing and satisfying without sacrificing flavor or convenience. Discover how this culinary endeavor becomes the cornerstone of not just your diet but also your commitment to a sustainable, health-conscious way of eating. In a world where plant-based eating is gaining momentum, the allure of vibrant, nutrient-packed meals is undeniable. This is where the magic of vegetables, legumes, and whole grains takes center stage. Explore how meal prep empowers individuals to create delicious, plant-based dishes in advance, saving time and ensuring a week's worth of delectable and healthful feasting. The journey takes an inspiring turn as we delve into the numerous benefits of embracing meal prep for plant-based diets. From supporting a lower environmental footprint and promoting heart health to supplying an abundance of vitamins and minerals, you'll learn how this approach can significantly impact your well-being. Uncover the science behind plant-based nutrition and the creativity involved in crafting meals that are both nourishing and appetizing. It's not just about preparing food, it's also about the art of plant-based living, with a focus on fresh, natural ingredients and the pleasure of sharing meals with a purpose. The captivating element of the journey lies in how individuals can take charge of their health, culinary skills, and commitment to sustainable living by preparing dishes that align with plant-based values. Discover how this culinary experience not only offers a flavorful journey but also opens the door to health-conscious, plant-powered living. Meal prep for plant-based diets isn't about restricting your culinary horizons. It's about embracing a diverse range of ingredients and flavors in a time-efficient manner. We'll delve into various plant-based recipes, cooking techniques, and meal planning strategies that will help you make the most of your culinary adventure. Whether you're a seasoned plant-based enthusiast, a busy professional, or someone eager to explore this lifestyle, you'll have all the tools you need to successfully unlock the secrets of meal prep for plant-based diets and embark on a delectable and sustainable journey. Efficiency is a cornerstone of this journey. You'll find that incorporating meal prep practices into your weekly routine can be practical and time-effective, ensuring that you can savor plant-based delights without hours spent in the kitchen. With the right knowledge and a commitment to sustainable and health-conscious cooking, you can seamlessly integrate these practices into your daily life, ensuring that each meal becomes a step toward a more balanced and eco-friendly way of eating. Practical guidance is a vital part of this journey. We'll offer tips, techniques, and resources to help you embrace the art of meal prep tailored for plant-based diets, allowing you to create nourishing and flavorful dishes that align with your dietary choices and values. Whether you're looking to enhance your culinary skills, embark on a plant-based journey, or simply want to enjoy healthful meals, you'll have all the tools you need to successfully unlock the secrets of this culinary adventure and experience the pleasures of plant-powered living in a time-efficient and sustainable manner. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.